Hello, in this video I show you how to remove and replace the AC condenser on Toyota Avensis 2.2 diesel. We can see the AC condenser is located right there. So in order to remove the AC condenser, we don't need to remove the front bumper. We'll start by removing these plastic covers on top. Now that the two plastic covers are removed, to have better access to the AC condenser. The AC condenser is right there. The two AC lines are right there is one of them, and the other one is on the bottom side of the condenser. Now I'll show you where the other AC line is. It's right there. In my case, this trim is missing, but in your case you need to remove it in order to remove the AC line. First, we're going to start removing the horn. When we remove the horn, we're just going to put it to the side. Next, we're going to remove the bolts holding this top part of the bumper so that we can move the top part of the bumper. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that the bolts are removed, you can see the bumper is moving, so now we'll have better access to the AC condenser. Next, we're going to start removing the top AC line. You can see the top AC line is removed. Next, we're going to remove the bottom AC line. Again, if you have a trim on the front there, you need to remove that trim, or maybe go underneath. You'll be able to get it from underneath as well. Before being able to remove the AC line, first I'm going to remove this bolt, so that because this bolt holds the whole AC line and it doesn't allow the AC line connector that's on the AC condenser to move. So when I remove that bolt, the AC line will be free and I'll be able to take out the AC connector from the condenser. And that's the AC line out of the condenser. Next, I'm going to remove the bolts, the 4 bolts holding the AC condenser to the radiator. That's the first bolt here on top left, right there. The second bolt on the top is on the right, which is right there. And there's 2 bolts on the bottom. One bolt is located right there, and the 4th bolt is on the other side, right there. That's the bottom bolts removed. Now I'm going to remove the top bolts. Now that the 4 bolts holding the AC condenser are removed, we can see that the AC condenser is free, but before being able to remove it, there is a metal plate on the front that we need to remove. To remove it, we need to remove a couple of bolts. That's the first bolt that I'm going to remove. Next, I'm going to remove these 2 bolts right there. The next bolt holding this metal plate is located right there. We're going to remove this bolt. Now you can see this metal plate that's in front of the AC condenser, it's moving, but there is still 1 bolt on the bottom that we need to remove. We also need to remove that temperature sensor, and that's the bolt that we need to remove right there. And this temperature sensor, we also need to remove it. Now that we've removed all the bolts, we need to move this metal plate to the side. I'm using a pry bar just to pry it out of its spot, and now I'm going to turn it to the side. I'm going to turn it enough so that I can take the AC condenser from the bottom. And that's the AC condenser out. Now I'm going to replace it with a new one. Before putting the new AC condenser on the car, first I'm going to add some AC oil. That's the oil that I'm going to add, pack 46. I'm going to add about 50 milliliters of oil. Also, don't forget to replace the O-rings on the 2 AC line that we disconnected from the AC condenser. And then now we can put the AC condenser back on the car, and assembling it is in the exactly reverse order. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.